Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have a tip for you that is going to make sitting at your desk so much more comfortable. So for me, the armrests on my office chair do not have a lot of cushion. So after a while, my arms and elbows get really sore. This is an armrest cushion from Aloudy that is going to bring you so much comfort and relief. It's incredible. It's literally a cloud for your arm. It has this velvety soft cover and a massive amount of cushion from this memory foam insert. It also has an elastic back, which means it's going to fit snugly a variety of armrests. It fits a lot like a fitted sheet does on your mattress. I love the feel of this. It is such an upgrade for my arms. I don't get that fatigue I was always feeling from my elbows resting on a hard surface. So if you spend any time sitting at a desk with a hard or uncomfortable arm rest on your chair, then you really deserve an upgrade like this. This is a wonderful, soft, squishy armrest cushion that is going to give you a ton of comfort and support because it's got that memory foam and that velvety soft cover, and it's going to fit a variety of different armrests because of that elastic. So I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.